In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your X.com or Twitter account private in just a few simple steps. This is a great option if you want more control over who can see your posts, who can follow you, and how much of your activity is visible to the public. Whether you're trying to protect your privacy, keep your content limited to approved followers, or simply make your account feel more secure, this quick tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and social media tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X and log into the account you want to make private. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll need to click the More icon. This is where X keeps a lot of its additional account settings, so if you don't see the option right away, make sure you're looking in the left sidebar. After you click More, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where you can adjust your account controls, security preferences, and visibility settings. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy and Safety. This section contains the tools that control who can interact with your content and how your posts are shared. Next, look for Audience and Tagging and click on it. This is the menu where you'll find the option that makes your posts private. Now you should see the setting called Protect Your Posts. Check the box or toggle the switch on, depending on how it appears on your screen. Once this setting is enabled, your account becomes private, which means only people you approve can follow you and see your posts. That's the main change you're looking for, and it only takes a few seconds to turn on. After you enable it, X may ask you to confirm the change. Go ahead and accept it, and your privacy setting will be updated right away. From this point forward, your posts won't be publicly visible to everyone on the platform. Instead, only approved followers will be able to view your content. This is especially useful if you want to keep your tweets more personal or limit your audience to people you know and trust. If you ever want to make your account public again, you can come back to the same settings and turn off Protect Your Posts at any time. Just follow the same path. More, Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, Audience and Tagging, and then switch that setting off. And that's it. Your X.com or Twitter account is now private. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick step-by-step guides just like this one.